Want to change address in Commonwealth Bank app? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, download and install the Commonwealth Bank app on your device. Now launch it open. You need to log in first. For that, tap on the log on option. Now enter the NetBank client number. After that, enter the NetBank password. If you have forgotten your details, tap on the NetBank details option over here. Now tap on next. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down and select personal details. Enter your PIN to continue. Now under address, tap edit, enter your new home address carefully, then click save at the bottom of your screen. And that's it. Your address is now updated in the Commonwealth Bank app. Make sure to double check your details to avoid any mistakes. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.